Balance of payment, always balance is next point. The balance is expressed in accounting sense because BOP account are prepared on the basis of system of double entry under which receipt side are always equal to payment side. आप जानते हैं कि अकॉर्डिंग टू ड्यूअल एस्पेक्ट कॉन्सेप्ट और डबल एंट्री सिस्टम every transaction is effective by two parties, first debit and second credit. As a result, accounts are always in balance. The balance of current account need not to equal as it can show a surplus or deficit. The point to be noted here is that a deficit or surplus in current account is balanced by an equal amount of surplus or deficit in capital accounts. In operational sense, it is movement of official reserves or accommodating items which impart balance to BOP account. Thus, in accounting sense, overall BOP always balance. BOP is a wider term inclusive of both balance of current account and balance of capital account and is always zero. Autonomous and accommodating items in BOP. Items in BOP are classified into autonomous items and accommodating items. The basic difference between the two is that where each deficit or surplus in BOP occurs due to autonomous items, the accommodating items are taken to cover deficit or surplus in autonomous transactions. Autonomous items in BP. This refers to international economic transactions that take place due to some economic motive like earning income and profit maximization. They have nothing to do with foreign exchange payments since such transactions are independent of the state of the country. Balance of payment BOP is favorable and unfavorable. They are therefore called autonomous items. These items are generally called above the line items in BOP. Such items may involve movement of goods across the border in the form of export and import of goods and services. BOP is a deficit if the autonomous receipts are less than autonomous payments. BOL is in surplus if the autonomous receipts are greater than autonomous payments. In other words, deficit of surplus in BOL depends upon the balance of autonomous items as against it accommodating items are meant to restore equilibrium. Okay, thank you.